मणिपुरातल्या हिंसाचाराक लागून परिणाम जाल्ल्या लोकांकडेन एकचार दाखोवपा खातीर गोय काँग्रेस राज्य समितीन शेनवारा मौन निषेध केलो। सुमार 3 म्हयने सावन ईशान्य राज्यात हिंसाचार सुरू आसा। काँग्रेसीन पणजेच्या आझाद मैदानार मौन निषेध घडोवन हाडलो। काँग्रेसीच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाण मणिपूर प्रश्नाचेर भाजपान मौन दवरिल्ल्यान ताचेर निषेध करपा खातीर हो मौन निषेध घडोवन हाडलो। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन चालू आशिल्ल्या मणिपूर हिंसाचाराचेर आपले मौन मोडचे अशेही मागणी केला।
मणिपुर में जो राइट्स हो रहे हैं we condemn what is happening in Manipur. So in solidarity to the people of Manipur, today Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has organized a peaceful protest because the Prime Minister of this country, it's been almost more than 85 days, more than 181 lives have been lost, 300 people are seriously injured, and more than 65,000 people have been displaced in Manipur. And still the intolerant Bhras Jumla party Sarkar's Prime Minister, the Prime Minister of this country, Shri Narendra Modi, is quiet. He is not bothered. The people of this country has seen how the Prime Minister is denying and shying away to speak on Manipur. The House, the Parliament has been disrupted. Prime Minister is not ready to come to Parliament and talk and speak about Manipur.
Now on 4th May this incident took place and CM says the FIR was registered on 18th May. So what was he doing for last 14 days? For those 14 days what was he doing? Why FIR was not filed? When such type of questions are asked, hundreds of such type of things have happened. He's taking so casually. And Prime Minister, who is supposed to open his mouth in the House, he's giving a bite like any other MP outside the House. Parliament was all the MPs were asking, all India, the MPs were alliance under India, they were asking to have a discussion under 267, Rule 267 of the procedure. And they were saying that no, we'll have only discussion under 167. Under 167, rule under 167, there's an only discussion for 2.5 hours. And whereas under 267, whole day everything could be suspended, all the house work could be suspended, and there could have been a discussion for the whole day. Perhaps it would have gone the next day also, and after that perhaps they would have been voting also.
जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर आमचो इंडियेचो आसा तो आज आसामाक वयता आनी थंय भाशण दिता आनी मणिपूर वचपाचो प्रयत्न करिना। कित्याक लागून हे सगळ्या तेंच्यांनी हे जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता मरे 2014 इलेक्शन जाले तेज्या उपरांत तेंचे प्लॅनिंग जे आसा डिवायड अँड रूल पॉलिसी जी आहा भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकाराची ती तेंच्यांनी आयज प्रयत्न केलेलो आहा फोडपाचे मनशांक। जी जात जी आसा जो जातीचो तेंकां द्वेष आसा आनी आयज जातीचो द्वेष म्हणणारे आयज RSS जे आसा ते तेंचे बरे सक्षम काम करता।
To win a war doesn't mean that you rape a war, you rape a woman. Sorry, you rape a woman and you win a war. So much of injustice has been done, and till the viral video has come up, the head of the state was silent about it, and it has happened right under the nose of an incompetent CM of Manipur, Biren Singh. I appeal to every right-thinking citizens of India to fight against the injustice that has been done and is going on, still going on in Manipur. I will always pray for the family of the women who has gone through all this. Please pray for them.
GOA365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीष परब आणि निखिल जल्मी।